Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add anime effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video and add the photo that you wanted to change. Now you just click on the picture, this one, click on it, and in here you just click on the style at the bottom. And now you can swipe until you can see anime effect. This is the anime effect, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add anime effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.